The vehicle we're looking at today is something that blends heritage, modern engineering, and true go-anywhere versatility. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Delica D5, a contemporary take on Mitsubishi's legendary crossover MPV, long known for its durability, practicality, and impressive long-distance cruising ability. And in this newest generation, Mitsubishi pushes the concept further, combining family-friendly comfort with rugged off-road capability in a way very few MPVs attempt. At the heart of the Delica D5's design philosophy is the idea of an enhanced all-around MPV, a vehicle that feels stable, safe, and enjoyable across every type of terrain. Whether you're navigating smooth city roads, uneven rural paths, or venturing onto demanding off-road trails, the Delica aims to handle it all with confidence. This 2026 model isn't just mildly updated, it's significantly reworked to function like a do-it-all family adventure machine. Inside, the cabin receives one of its biggest upgrades yet. The interior is more stylish, more ergonomic, and noticeably roomier thanks to better space optimization. The centerpiece is a redesigned dashboard built around minimalism and clarity. A large 12.3-inch infotainment display now dominates the center stack, paired with an 8-inch digital instrument cluster that integrates Mitsubishi's SAWC, Super All-Wheel Control functionality. This means better real-time feedback for the driver, especially when tackling low-traction surfaces. The layout is cleaner, more intuitive, and more in line with modern premium MPVs. On the outside, the 2026 Delica D5 takes on a look described as tough yet sophisticated. Mitsubishi's latest interpretation of the dynamic shield design language creates a front fascia that is both more aggressive and more functional. The grille is wider and more geometric, improving cooling efficiency and forward visibility. Flanking it are stacked LED lighting units, daytime running lights positioned high for visibility, and the main LED headlights placed lower for better road illumination. This multi-vertical setup gives the Delica a bold, unmistakable signature at night. Move to the side profile, and the Delica's adventurous character becomes even clearer. The elongated body lines emphasize interior spaciousness while reinforcing the vehicle's strong road presence. These lines flow cleanly from the headlights to the rear, visually stretching the cabin. Mitsubishi retains its iconic automatic sliding doors, a key feature for families, but now they operate faster, quieter, and with better sensitivity, making daily use more convenient. The rear design continues the modern streamlined theme. A full-width horizontal LED light bar spans across the large tailgate, giving the back end a futuristic and slightly more aggressive stance. The large rear window also enhances visibility, especially during off-road climbs or tight urban parking maneuvers. Under the hood, Mitsubishi prioritizes both efficiency and capability. The primary engine option is a 2.2-liter clean diesel turbo, paired with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination is engineered to deliver strong torque for uphill climbs and highway cruising, while maintaining respectable fuel efficiency, particularly important for long-distance family travel. But the biggest anticipation surrounds the expected PHEV variant. Mitsubishi is predicted to introduce a plug-in hybrid setup similar to the Outlander's award-winning system. This would pair a 2.4-liter gasoline engine with dual electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, essentially creating a highly capable electric-assisted AWD system. If launched, this would make the Delica one of the most technologically advanced family adventure MPVs on the market, offering silent electric driving in the city and powerful torque distribution off-road. Overall, the 2026 Mitsubishi Delica D5 reinforces its reputation as one of the most versatile MPVs in the world. It's not just another people mover. It's a genuine multi-terrain vehicle designed for families who want comfort on the weekdays and adventure on the weekends.